Let's make my dark chocolate olive oil brownies. Save this for your eggs in the morning. Fortunately, I'm out of my good pure vanilla, so we're using imitation. So we've got sugar, oil, eggs, yolk, and vanilla. Oh, it smells so good already. Key is to use really good olive oil. That'll help keep it steady. Oh yeah. I've eaten most of these chocolate chips, so we might need to supplement. Just shy. All right. Do a little bit of this. Oh, the best part. And I'm not getting a knife out, so we're just gonna do it by hand. All right, now we're gonna add it to the batter. Spread it all out with an offset spatula. Like I said, she's thick, so you're gonna need to just zhuzh it a little. Look at this. This is easier if you do have chocolate chips or chocolate chunks, which I recommend chunks over chips, or don't be like me and raid the pantry every evening for chocolate chips. These smell heavenly. We have to let them cool. They smell phenomenal. Yes. All right, let's do this. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. They're so fudgy. These are phenomenal. And the best part, these are made with whole wheat, olive oil, and dark chocolate.